bolstered by their stranglehold on Washington, D.C.'s suburbs, Arlington, Alexandria, Falls Church, etc., Democrats took complete control of Virginia's state government this fall, and they're acting fast. They're already pledging to use their power to remake the Commonwealth completely. One of the chief targets is the gun rights tradition in Virginia, which is the same, of course, as America's gun rights tradition. Lawmakers in the state are planning an assault weapons ban, assuming they can define an assault weapon, magazine size restrictions, and much more. Some would like gun seizures and are saying so out loud. The problem, though, is that most of Virginia's counties remain conservative and sensible. Officials in those places are taking inspiration from the left's doctrine on immigration. They're declaring themselves sanctuary counties for gun rights. Page County in the Shenandoah Valley is one such place. Chad Cubbage is the sheriff of Page County. He joins us tonight. Sheriff, thanks so much for coming on.
Thank you for having me, Tucker.
Tell us, if you would, what you plan to do if Democrats in the State House begin enacting these restrictions on the Second Amendment.
Well, we're hopeful that our legislators are listening. You know, Tucker, we're having town hall meetings here throughout the Shenandoah Valley, and we're having thousands of people show up to these town hall meetings to voice their concerns. We just really hope that they're listening in Richmond, and our legislators will not go through with these bills.
So you're presumably the chief law enforcement official in Page County, Virginia. Tell us specifically, are rifles chambered in 7.62 by 39, the assault weapons round, or one of them, are they a major crime problem for you in your county? No,
we do not have a problem with that. You know, in areas like Page County, a lot of people will go out on a Saturday evening and have a cookout and do target practicing and things like that. And these bills will even hinder, a parent taking their child out to hunt at an early age. So these are unconstitutional.
So you're hearing they're absolutely unconstitutional. You're right, of course. You're hearing some Democrats say, well, if you set up a sanctuary county for gun rights, then they're going to use force. One was suggesting bringing in the National Guard to make you obey. What's your response?
Well, you know, like I said, I'm hoping that they're listening in Richmond. Yes. My staff and I stand ready to protect the citizens of Page County from their rights being infringed upon. It's not law enforcement's place to infringe upon the rights of law-abiding citizens. It's our obligation to protect them from those types of things being done. And I'm thankful that we have a president that that supports the Second Amendment and that believes in the Constitution.
Sheriff Cubbage, I hope it doesn't come to that. You seem like a very reasonable man, and I don't think I've ever heard anybody say as clearly as you did, law enforcement exists to protect our rights, which is a wonderful thing to hear. Thanks so much for coming on tonight.
Hey, thank you for having me, Tucker, and God bless you.
God bless you. Merry Christmas.